Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this particular scenario. An Italian leather sofa costs $13,500 at a local store, okay, in Singapore. Now, Liana visited an online furniture store based in United States of America, which sells that same sofa at a cost of US $10,075, but also have a discount of 30%. There are additional fees though. For example, a shipping fee of US $2,200 and insurance fee 3% of the original price of this sofa. We are also given the exchange rate. So which option, whether buying the sofa from the local furniture store or buying from the online furniture store, which is more cost saving for Liana? Okay, so the approach would then be for us to calculate the total cost for the online furniture, and there are a few costs. Okay, one would be the shipping cost. The shipping cost is this, so I highlight it. Also, there's an insurance fee of 3% of the original price. Okay, so let's see. So the total cost in USD, US dollar, for the online store will be equals to, first I will have a discount, isn't it? Yep. Discount of 30% means that I will just need to pay 70% of the US dollar, $10,075. I will also need to add the shipping fee, $2,200. I will also need to add the insurance fee of 3% of the original, $10,075. And so this will give me a value of US dollar $9,554.75. The next thing is then to check against the exchange rate. So US $1 is Singapore dollar $1.34. Since I have US 9,554.75, so now this will be equal to I just need to multiply by 1.34 to give me a value of Singapore dollar $12,803.365. So when I compare this with 13,500, then I would choose the online furniture because it is cheaper. Yes, and cheaper by how much? Let's see. It will be even better if I calculate the cost savings. And this will be equals to, she would save $696 and 64 cents. When I round off to the nearest cent. So final answer, which option is most cost saving for Liana? Liana would purchase from the online store. Why is it so? As it is cheaper. And cheaper by how much? $696.64. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.